You're heading for the airport security line. But as your carry-on slides through a new airport scanner, a loud alarm goes off. A security agent pulls you aside. Your bag gets flagged. And suddenly, your perfect travel plans come to a screeching halt. Why? Because an everyday item you've packed before is now a serious problem. Airports are rolling out smarter scanners and stricter enforcement. Airport rules that were once flexible are now firm. Small packing mistakes are turning into big travel mistakes. So before your next flight, here are 10 carry-on items you need to double-check. These banned items could get you fined or even arrested in 2026. Number 1. Sharp objects, knives, and multi-tools. Kicking off our list is the number one reason travelers get stopped and fined. That reason is knives and other sharp objects. It's so common that the TSA finds thousands of them every week. You might think, I know not to pack a knife. But most cases are accidental. It's the small pocket knife you forgot in your backpack, or the multi-tool at the bottom of a pouch. To airport security, your intent doesn't matter. These items are potential weapons, and they are almost universally banned from carry-on bags. The penalties are more than just losing the item. A forgotten pocket knife could result in a civil penalty of up to $15,000 from the TSA. Depending on the knife and local laws, it can lead to immediate arrest and criminal charges. This is why the final bag check is so important. Before you leave for the airport, physically empty every single pocket of your carry-on bags. Don't let a simple mistake end your trip in disaster. Number 2. Unregistered drones. Coming in at number 2 is a tech toy that can get you arrested. A drone. Many countries don't treat drones as cameras, but as unregistered aircraft, and they regulate them strictly. The problem is that every country has its own drone laws. Many have banned tourist drones entirely. Nations like Egypt, Morocco, and India require permits that can take months to obtain. They view unauthorized drones as potential threats to national security. Don't forget the batteries. Drone batteries are powerful lithium-ion packs. They fall under strict hazardous materials rules. If they're over the watt-hour limit, they'll be confiscated, and you could face fines. The consequences for bringing a drone into a country where it's banned are severe. The drone will be seized at customs. You could face fines, detention, or even arrest. Do your homework weeks before you travel. Check the official drone laws for your destination. Number 3. Hidden cameras or microphones. This next item seems like it's from a spy movie, but it can lead to real-world trouble. We're talking about gadgets with hidden recording features. Think of pens with tiny camera lenses, or USB chargers that are also nanny cams. While you might see it as a novelty, customs officials in certain countries take these items very seriously. This is due to strict privacy and espionage laws. In some parts of the world, it's illegal to possess devices for covert recording. They see a tool for illegal surveillance. If found during a customs inspection, being caught with a spy pen can lead to your immediate detention. It can also result in a full search of your electronics, fines, and even deportation. The smart move is to research local laws before you go. If you're traveling to a country with strict government control, leave these items at home. Number 4. Camping and hiking gear. Planning an outdoor adventure? Watch out for this category. It includes items banned for a very good reason. They are considered hazardous materials. Specifically, we're talking about camping fuel. Fuel canisters like propane or butane are strictly forbidden from all luggage. They are flammable and pose a catastrophic fire risk. Trying to fly with fuel is a serious federal offense of endangering an aircraft. The consequences are severe. Bringing flammable fuel on a flight can lead to massive civil penalties. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars and a criminal investigation. Even used camping stoves can cause problems if they have fuel residue. Also remember that sharp items like tent stakes must be in your checked luggage. The solution is simple. Never, ever fly with fuel. Buy it at your destination. This is a critical tip for all outdoor adventurers. Number 5. Certain self-defense items. At number 5, we have self-defense items. Packing these can lead to criminal charges. Things like pepper spray, tactical pens, and self-defense keychains are viewed as weapons by airport security. The airport rules on these are inconsistent. In the US, pepper spray is usually banned from carry-on bags but allowed in checked luggage. But items like tactical pens or keychains can be classified as concealed weapons. It is illegal to bring those through a checkpoint. The real danger is international travel. A self-defense tool that's legal in your home country might be an illegal weapon in another. That cat-eye keychain could be considered brass knuckles to a customs agent. "I didn't know" is not a valid legal defense. Consequences range from confiscation and fines to being arrested for carrying an illegal weapon. Your vacation can end before it even begins. The only safe tip is to leave these items at home. Quick tip before we continue. We're halfway through our travel tips for 2026. If you're finding this useful, hit that like button. It helps more travelers avoid these airport security mistakes. Now, let's continue. The next items on our list have even bigger consequences. Number 6. Toy and replica weapons. This next one causes headaches for many travelers. It's any item that even looks like a weapon. Airport security has a zero-tolerance policy for these in carry-on bags. This includes plastic swords, colorful Nerf guns, and even inert bullet keychains. The reason is simple. On an X-ray screen, it can be impossible to tell a toy from a real threat. TSA agents are required to call local law enforcement. A realistic-looking toy will trigger a real police response. The consequences start with being detained for a police investigation. Depending on the item and local laws, you could be cited or even arrested. This could be for causing a security scare. Saying it's just a toy won't stop the security protocol. The solution is non-negotiable. Leave all toy weapons at home, or pack them safely in your checked luggage. Avoiding a police encounter is a top travel tip. Number 7. High-capacity or unmarked power banks. Let's talk about a common carry-on item. Power banks. Bringing the wrong one is a serious safety violation. Knowingly transporting prohibited hazardous materials is a federal offense in the U.S. This can lead to fines of over $250,000 and up to 5 years in prison. Here are the lithium battery rules. Any power bank over 160 watt-hours is banned from passenger aircraft. Those between 101 and 160 watt-hours require airline approval before you fly. Crucially, all power banks must be in your carry-on luggage due to fire risk. The real trouble starts if you try to bend these rules. If a security agent can't see your power bank's rating because it's unmarked, it will be confiscated. But if you are caught with a battery over the limit, especially in checked luggage, you are breaking the law. Before you fly, check every power bank. Make sure the watt-hour rating is clearly printed on it. This simple tip can save you from a massive fine. Number 8. Undeclared currency rules. At number 8 is a mistake that can cost you thousands. Undeclared currency. Most travelers know there's a rule about traveling with a lot of cash, but many don't realize how serious the rules are. Here are the facts. In the US and many other countries, you must declare if you are entering or leaving with more than $10,000 USD. This rule includes cash, traveler's checks, or money orders. It exists to combat money laundering. The penalty for forgetting to declare isn't a simple warning. Customs agents can seize the entire amount of money. You can also face severe civil fines and even criminal prosecution, which could lead to prison. Then, the burden is on you to prove the money was from a legitimate source. The solution is absolute. Always declare it. It's not illegal to travel with over $10,000, but it is illegal to hide it from customs. Fill out the form truthfully. Number 9. Counterfeit goods. Next up, an item many travelers buy as a souvenir. Counterfeit goods. That knockoff luxury handbag or fake watch might seem like a bargain, but bringing it across an international border can lead to severe legal trouble. Many countries, like France and Italy, have strict laws against intellectual property theft. Customs officials are trained to spot fakes, and they show no mercy. What you see as a cheap souvenir, they see as participation in a criminal network. The consequences go beyond just confiscation. In Italy, you can be fined thousands of euros on the spot. In France, penalties can include staggering fines up to $300,000 and even prison time. Pleading ignorance won't work. These laws are designed to stamp out the counterfeit trade. To stay safe, avoid buying counterfeit items. The risk of turning your vacation into a legal and financial nightmare is not worth it. Number 10. Large powders like protein or mix. Rounding out our list at number 10 is a common travel mistake. Large powders. Think about that big tub of protein powder for the gym, or a bag of pancake mix for a vacation breakfast, even a bulk container of baby formula. Seems harmless, right? But here's the reality of the new TSA rules. If you're carrying a powder-like substance over 12 ounces, you're asking for trouble. To the new airport scanners, a dense container of powder can look like certain explosives. This triggers an automatic, mandatory bag search and alerts law enforcement. The consequence: you'll be pulled aside for an invasive inspection. If the powder can't be identified, it will be confiscated. You could even miss your flight. Worst-case scenario, causing a major security alert can lead to fines for disrupting airport operations. The fix is a simple packing tip. Divide powders into smaller containers. Better yet, pack them in your checked luggage, or just buy them at your destination. As we've seen, the rules of air travel in 2026 are more strictly enforced than ever. A forgotten item or a lack of research can now cost you time, money, and your freedom. The main takeaway is this: preparation is the best travel hack. Before every trip, check the latest regulations. Look at the official TSA website and the rules for your airline and destination country. These airport rules are always changing. A few minutes of research can save you from a travel disaster. If this guide of travel tips was helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We post new videos every week with the latest travel advice. We want to help you travel smarter and safer. Now, travel safely and always check your bags.